Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play free up space error. While operating Google Play Store, if you're receiving this kind of a message where it says you're running low on storage, then there are some things you can try out to fix up this issue. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. When you receive an error message where it says you'll need to free up your space in order to operate Google Play Store, it means that you don't have enough space in order to download more apps on your Google Play Store. The insufficient storage error on Google Play can be caused by clogged cache or data that has occupied the swap space or the temporary storage on your Android device. The first thing to do is force reboot your Android phone. Tap on Restart in order to reboot your phone, and once you're back, head over to the settings on your phone. Under the settings menu, search for Apps. Once you tap on it, you'll end up in this page. Here, all of the list of applications that are installed on your device will be displayed. Locate Google Play Store from the list. Soon after you do that, tap it on. Now, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner. Tap on OK and then go to Storage. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right, and now tap on Clear Data at the bottom left corner. From the pop-up, select OK and go back to see if your problem is solved. Another thing you can try out is to go to your Play Store, tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner, and go to My Apps and Games. Go to the Installed tab, and all of the applications installed will be displayed on the screen. You can tap on the storage option at the top to manage your apps. Select any application that you no longer use from the list, and tap on Free Up at the bottom. You'll be able to free up spaces by removing some of the applications you don't use anymore. Tap on Free Up one more time and you'll be able to delete the application quick and easy. After you make these changes on your smartphone, you can simply solve the problem of your Play Store not being able to have enough spaces in it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.